In this video, I will show you how to find the .htaccess file on a Hostinger website. First, once we are logged into the Hostinger hosting account, this is how the Hostinger dashboard will look. We will need to enter the hosting account by clicking the Manage button under the Hosting section. Next, we need to click the Files tab on the left side of the screen. Then click the File Manager below, where all the website directories are stored. I have only one website in my hosting account. If you have more than one website in your hosting account, you will need to enter the specific website directory. Once we enter the website directory, we need to click the public HTML directory again. The htaccess file will be found in the public HTML directory. It is normally hidden by default. To unhide and view the file, click the Settings tab on the left of the screen. In the pop-up window, uncheck the Hide .files option and then update the changes made. Go to the public HTML directory again. Here, you can see all the hidden files. The .htaccess file is a hidden file. And done, you can see that the .htaccess file. Here, you can add and edit the code as needed. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Like, comment, and share the video if it was helpful.